Uneven skin tone has become a common issue among many busy ladies. What is this even skin tone? Uneven skin tone can be results from combination of various factors. You do not do anything, any harm, but this is the worst factor for causing permanent scarring on your skin. We have new technologies and treatments just like laser treatments, chemical peeling, microdermabrasion like treatments to control your uneven skin and not recommend for a long time use. Face and body scrub and a face and body mask to achieve an even skin tone. Without further ado, let's get started. We all love to have an even skin tone. Uneven skin tone has become a common issue among many busy ladies. So actually, what is this even skin tone? Let's find out. The skin appears free of excessive dark spots, red patches and other areas of discoloration. So your skin becomes hydrated, healthy and smooth. So today we are going to talk about an even skin tone, and at the end of this video I'm going to give you face and body scrub and a face and body mask to achieve an even skin tone. Without further ado, let's get started. Uneven skin tone can be results from combination of various factors. First and the most common reason is sun exposure. UV radiation can cause hyperpigmentation and sunspots and other signs of photoaging over time. So to protect your skin, apply at least the SPF 30 above sun protective cream. Apply just before you go out. Most creams give this support only for 2 hours. So apply every 2 hours to have a constant coverage. And make sure to wear a wide brim hat or long sleeve jackets to avoid from bright sunlight when you go outside. Second common reason is acne and scarring. That is why I'm always advising, especially for young crowd, not to touch or pop up the pimples. You may think you do not do anything, any harm, but this is the worst factor for causing permanent scarring on your skin. Another reason is fluctuation in hormones in your body during your pregnancy season and while you are having birth control pills. I have seen many ladies trying so much expensive treatments like laser treatments or for this uneven skin tone while they are having this birth control pills, but actually they can't get a long lasting effect. Do you know why is that? The truth is, while you are having this hormone control pills, your body is in a hormone imbalance state. Any best treatment or remedy will not give you a long lasting effect. So sometimes you may have to stop using or convert into a more effective or more safer method will support your curing process more faster. Another common reason is lack of exfoliation. Dead skin cells can build up and make the skin appear dull and uneven. So cleansing morning and evening and exfoliating once in a week is a good habit to practice as a routine. In combination with new technology and so much of chemicals, we have new technologies and treatments just like laser treatments, chemical peeling, microdermabrasion like treatments to control your uneven skin. But even dermatologists also have explained that these treatments cannot give you a long-lasting effect and not recommend for a long time use. Now we are going to make our face and body scrub. We need 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. And 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix our ingredients well and add half cup of water. Mix all ingredients until you get a nice creamy consistency. First, cleanse your face and body nicely, then apply our natural exfoliator, leave it for 5 minutes and do some circular motions and do a nice scrub. With using lukewarm water, wash all your face and body nicely. Then you have to apply our face and body pack. We need only 1 cup of fresh yogurt, a tablespoonful of orange peel powder, 5 to 6 saffron threads, 2 teaspoonsful of castor oil. Mix all the ingredients for about 5 to 6 minutes. Make a nice creamy pack and just apply on your face and body. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. Use this natural face and body scrub and face and body pack once a week and you can see your skin is getting radiant and smooth and shiny. So my dear ladies, for initial stages and for long time use natural solutions. These natural remedies are safe and easy to use and really cost effective. I think this video will be helpful for you. Just practice simple remedies and get the benefit of it. Thank you for watching.